and over. Okay. All right. So, Chris, we'll do your side first. Let's see what we got. Okay. All right, that's good. Yep. All right. Back over here. Okay. Right, going right on the end there. Pretty much right there. Okay, good. On the earth. Okay. So let me just move some tools out of the way.
This thing goes, it's falling. That's heavy.
And that goes with the dirt. Okay, so, all right. Biz, you're on that side. We're going to do this all at the same time. And we're lifting up. 1, 2, 3, and down.
Nice.
Wow. So, one thing I'm noticing is we're higher than we may have wanted, but no, it's fine. Or is it? Yeah.
Does it's higher? Well, we added.
Was it 6 inches of clearance you wanted, or?
So,
like a foot.
We have more than a foot.
Yeah.
We didn't measure that too well.
Straight up and we'll take some off there. We could make it easy.
One thing, as far as like squaring it to the sidewalk, we should consider that.
Yeah.
See if that happens.
Are you?
Is that able to go towards the?
Are you able to go towards you?